Hi guys! Today we're going to build our own billing management system using Vlookup function. Vlookup function is a useful tool that allows you to look up a value in a table or range of cells and return a corresponding value from another column in the same row. The V stands for vertical, as the function looks up the value vertically. This is how our system will look like, where we will be able to generate invoices with automatic price lookup. So, we have our inventory data in Excel as follows. We have product names, product IDs, available quantity and price per unit for the product. We want to build a billing system in this table. To save time, I have already formatted this table. In the first column, we want to be able to select a product. In the second column, we have the quantity needed. In the third column, we calculate the price per unit for the selected value in column N. And in the last column, we have the total per selected product. Perfect. Now to be able to select items in column N, we will follow these steps. Select cell N2, go to data validation. Select list and select column range from cell 3 to cell 20. Now we can select a specific product. Copy this formula to all cells in column N. Next, we want to take the sum of all quantities. So we use the formula sum to make the sum of the cell contents in column P. In the cell P12, we want to have the number of all the items purchased by the customer. Now we want to find the unit price of the selected item in cell N2. To do this, we use the IFERROR and Vlookup functions. IFERROR is needed if there is no value in the inventory data. So we set 0 as the default value. Next, we want to use the function Vlookup to find the price of the product. Vlookup has the first argument as the lookup value, the value we want to look for. The next argument is the data range or table from which we want to find the price value. The next argument is the column index where our price exists. In our case, the current price is in column 4. And the last argument is 0 for the exact match. If we want the closest match, we enter 1 here. But for this example, we want the exact match. Vlookup is done, and to complete our IFERROR function, we put 0 as the default value. Now copy this formula into the cells of column Q. In the last column, we now want to multiply the quantity and the unit price of the product. And in the seller 12, we want the total amount that the customer has to pay, or the total invoice amount. Our invoicing system is now ready for use. Let us try it. Select a product, enter the desired quantity. Our amount per item will be calculated automatically. Also, we can add more items. Now when we add a new item in our inventory, that item will be available for selection in our billing system. For example, we added jeans in our inventory and it is available for us in the product selection option. Similarly, if we delete something from our inventory, it will no longer be available for selection in our system. So by using Vlookup and IFERROR, we have now built our own billing system. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials.